Subscribe to the channel Educate Sada and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you.
Class energy waves and the pressure walking towards each other in a horizontal direction. The layer of the soft rock formed a folds. It means class, suppose this is the energy wave, okay, in a horizontally manner they come to the closer each other, and when the pressure is high in this energy wave in a horizontally manner in a soft rock the folds are formed, यानी इस तरीके के folds उसमें formed हो जाते हैं. Okay class, I hope you clear. Now if the pressure is a very high, if the pressure of a waves is a very high, the more folds are formed, यानी बहुत सारे ऐसे folds उसके अंदर formed हो जाते हैं. Okay, I hope you clear. तो हाई फो यानी complexity is also increases, and as a result the surface of the earth get uplifted, and because of the high pressure the middle part of this area or the rock become uplifted, यानी वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ जाता है. And such type of activity occurring in many places or many part, okay, of the land. Because of that the more folds are formed. It means when the pressure is more high, okay, then the more folds are formed. Okay, it means middle part of this land area become uplifted. I hope you clear. Now folds mountain are formed, and the Himalayas and the Aravalli, Rockies, Andes and the Alps are the major fold mountain in a world. Okay, these are the example: Himalaya mountain, Aravalli mountain, Rocky mountain, Andes mountain, Alps mountain. These are the example of a fold mountain. Okay, and they are formed because of the high pressure or the high energy waves come to the closer in a horizontal manner, or because of that the land area get uplifted, यानी वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ गया, and because of that the such type of a landforms are formed. It means mountains are formed. Okay, and such mountains are known as a folds mountain. Now class, another activity, take a long strip of the thin paper. Okay, so this is the strip of a thin paper, and hold the one of the end paper in your right and the hold the other by the left hand. Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है आपको कि by taking the one strip paper and hold both the ends with their left and right hands and pull both the ends away from each other. It means moving away the hand, left and right hand from each other. एक दूसरे से दूर करना है आपको, pulling करना है, खींचना है. When you are pulling this paper strip, the cracks are formed in a middle part of this strip and they become separated from each other. वो एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाएगा. तो what is the reason behind that? When we are pulling from both the sides of the paper strip, and because of that the tension is created in a middle part of the paper strip. Tension is created, it means यहाँ पर दबाव निर्माण होता है, and because of that the cracks are formed, यानी यहाँ पर क्रैक आ जाती है, दरारें आ जाती हैं, and because of that the paper strip get separated from each other. वो एक दूसरे से दूर हो जाती है. Okay class, now we will going to like this manner. Okay, so geographical explanation. In activity 2 the tension is created, you pull both the ends away from the each other. Okay, it means when you are pulling both the ends each other, therefore the tension is created between the paper strip, and when the tension become very high the cracks are formed, and because of the cracks they become separated. Okay, and it means when the energy wave moves towards opposite side, यानी वो एक दूसरे के opposite जाते हैं, तो because of that the tension is created in between the earth crust, यानी earth crust में क्या होता है, tension create होता है. Because of that the some land area separated from the other some land area. Okay, यानी the land area separated from the other some land area. Okay, and because of, and what is the reason behind that? Because of the tension. I hope you clear. And when the energy wave come to the closer each other, then the compression is created. Okay, energy wave move opposite in direction, then the tension is created. I hope you clear compressor and the tension. Now the block mountain, and because of the compressor, okay, or the tension the block mountains are formed. Okay, so because of the internal movement horizontal waves moving away from each other, and it can be happen the energy wave come to the closer each other or move away from the each other. ये एक दूसरे के पास भी आ सकते हैं और एक दूसरे के दूर भी जा सकते हैं. Okay, in a horizontal direction, so that this causes the tension of a layer, and if when the both the energy wave come to the closer each other, then the compression is created, and when they away from the each other, एक दूसरे से दूर जाएंगे, then the tension is created in between the layer of the earth, okay, and the layer of the rocks, and this led to the formation of the fracture. And when they are moving away from the each other, then the fractures is meant cracks are formed in a rock, यानी cracks हो जाते हैं उसके अंदर, and this is known as a fault, okay. This fracture is known as a faults. Similarly, the waves coming towards the each other in a hard rock, okay, when the wave coming towards the each other in a hard rock, the compressor is also created in that rock, and because of that compressor the faults is also formed, यानी it means fault again fault, यानी उसमें भी क्या होता है, दरार आ जाती है in a hard rock also. And when the part of the earth crust is between the two parallel fault, okay, when the part of the earth crust between the two faults, then the one fault यानी one fault और the middle part of the rocks become uplifted, या ऊपर की तरफ uplift हो जाता है, and it is look like a block, यानी वो एक block की तरह दिखता है. It means the यानी middle part of the this block is a flat, यानी वो flat होता है, and the altitude of this mountains or the of this uplifted part is a steep slope, यानी उसकी जो slope होती है वो बहुत steep होती है. ओके क्लास, एंड देयर इज अ नो पिक ऑन सच टाइप ऑफ अ माउंटेन, यानी इसके कोई अर्लियर स्टेज में इसके ऊपर कोई भी पिक नहीं होता, ओके. इट मीन्स कोई भी चोटियां टाइप की नहीं होती. सो सी द फिगर 2.9a, सच लैंडफॉर्म्स इज नोन एज अ ब्लॉक माउंटेन, ओके. द हिल टॉप्स ऑफ द ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स आर फ्लैट, इट मीन्स दिस इज द हिल टॉप ऑफ द ब्लॉक माउंटेन एंड दे आर द यानी हिल टॉप्स लेस, यानी वहां पर हिल टॉप नहीं होता, ओके. सच टाइप ऑफ माउंटेन एंड दिस आर द फ्लैट, यानी वो फ्लैट होता है, प्लेन होता है. देखो यू कैन सी हियर in a earlier stage they are do not have a peaks, yani in a earlier stage when it is formed, okay, so for the few year and for the few year they will not have a, उसके पास क्या नहीं होता, तो they have no peaks, okay, for the few year, यानी कुछ सालों के लिए. after that by the erosions the peaks are formed, यानी erosion होने के से peaks जो है वो formed हो जाते हैं, and their slopes are steep, okay. the slope of this mountain is a steep, and for example the Black Forest mountain in Europe and the Meghalaya plateaus of India, okay, has also been formed in a similar way, okay. it means the Meghalaya plateau of India and the Black Forest mountain in Europe, both are the example of the block mountain, okay class. I hope you clear. Now try this again. So take a 3 notebook of a same size, hold them tightly on a table keeping a distance of a 2-3 centimeter, and remove the 2 notebook on each ends and away from the central one, okay, and observe what happened. Draw the diagram emerging the because of the notebook in your own notebook. So class, by doing the above activity, it means when we are remove the notebook from the middle part, then the middle part's notebook become a subsidized, यानी वो नीचे की तरफ गिर जाएगा, okay. it means like this manner, if we removing the 2 books, okay, from the middle part, then the middle part of the book become a subsidized, यानी वो नीचे की तरफ हो जाएगा, okay. and what is the reason behind that? It means when the energy wave move away from the each other in a horizontal manner, the faults are formed between the 2 cracks on both the sides, okay. दोनों साइड से फॉल्ट फॉर्म होता है, and because of that they separated from, यानी both the side become a separate from the middle part, okay. and when they are away from the each other, then the middle part become a subsidized, यानी वो नीचे की तरफ गिर जाता है, and the shape of this type of mountain is look like this. it means V shape का वो वैली दिखाई देता है, okay. and now geographical explanation. When the horizontal moment on a earth surface act in a opposite direction, I already said when the moment of a energy wave away from the each other, वो एक दूसरे से दूर जाते हैं, then the causes, because of that the tension is created in a middle part, okay. and because of that tension the both the side the cracks are formed, यानी दोनों साइड में क्या हो जाता है, cracked form हो जाता है, okay. and or the faults are formed, and because of that they separated from the each other, वो एक दूसरे से separate हो जाते हैं, and the middle part of the land area become a subsidized, यानी वो नीचे की तरफ गिर जाता है, okay class. I hope you clear. and this led to the formation of the faults. Consequently the rocks both the ends slide and the continuously layer the rock is not found, okay. it means continuity in a layer of the rocks is not found. it means some part become a dipped and some part become a upper, Okay, and in that the first we will going to discuss about the Rift Valley. Okay, Rift Valley means the mountain look like a V shape. Okay, V shape की दिखने वाली जो घाटियां होती है, this is known as a Rift Valley. Okay class, you can also see the example of this. This is also the V shape valley. Okay, so this is known as a Rift Valley. Sometime two fractures developed side by side. It means two fractures are developed side by side. Okay, so sometimes the two fractures are developed side by side on a earth crust. The lands between the two fractures subsidize. Okay, so land between the two fractures become a subsidized. It means it get down, यानी वो नीचे की तरफ गिर जाता है. Okay, and because of that this part is look like a valley shape, यानी V shape का दिखने लगता है, and that's why it is called as a Rift Valley. Okay class, I hope you can clear with this picture. And both the slope of this Rift Valley are the steep. Okay, both the slope of this Rift Valley are the steep. It means it is not a gentle. Okay, ये भी क्या होता है, steep ही होता है, like this. Okay class, I hope you understood. Now for example, the valley of Narmada in India and the Great Rift Valley in Africa, the Rhine River Rift Valley of Europe. So these are the example. It means the valley of a river Narmada and the Great Rift Valley in Africa and the Rhine River Rift Valley in Europe. These are the example of the Rift Valley. It means V-shaped valley. Okay class, I hope you clear the Rift Valley. Now the second, the continent building. Okay, continent building, it means how the continents are formed. It means first we should know the meaning of the continent, the land area, okay, which is covered through the sea or the oceanic water from all the side. It means four types, यानी समझो this is the particular part of the land area and it is covered by the oceanic or the sea water from all the side. Okay, so this is called as a, yani this is called as a continent, or you can call it as a island also. Okay, and if the small land area, okay, covered through the oceanic water or the sea water through the all the side, then it is called as a island. And when the large or a big land area that covered through the oceanic water or the sea water from the all side, then it is called as a continent. So class, I hope you clear the meaning of continent and the island also. Now how it is formed. Okay, ये कैसे बनते हैं. तो slow movements occurs towards the center of the form of the earth and center towards the earth crust, because yani it means the slow movement comes towards the center part of the earth. Towards it means this is the center part of the earth, and slow movement that comes from the center of the earth towards the center, यानी on earth crust, यानी center से क्या होता है, earth crust की तरफ एक slow movement होता है. ओके, तो वही बोल रहा है यहाँ पर कि यानी slow movements come towards the center, from the center to the earth crust, यानी वो earth crust के पास आता है. ओके, तो because of this movement the vast part of the earth crust uplifted, and when this movement come towards the earth crust, because of that the effect is created on the earth crust and more biggest part of the earth crust become uplifted. Okay, यानी वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ जाता है and get subsidized. We are the या तो it become uplifted or can be a subsidized, it will get down, यानी वो नीचे भी जा सकता है या तो ऊपर भी आ सकता है. Okay, and because of the movement which is comes from the center of the earth. Okay, or now when the part of the earth crust is uplifted, okay, the continents are formed, and when the part of the earth crust become uplifted, यानी ऊपर की तरफ आता है, then it is said to be a continent. Okay, and therefore these movements are called as a continent building. Okay, so yani because of that movement, okay, because of that movement which is comes from the center of the earth towards the earth crust, and because of that it create a effect on earth crust, and the land area or the surface of the earth crust uplifted. Okay, वो ऊपर की तरफ आता है, and because of that the continents are formed, and therefore it is called as a movement for the continent building. Okay, and extensive plateaus can also be formed. It means through that the continents can formed, or the plateaus can be formed to this such act movement. Okay, and if the originally continent proportion of the crust subsidies below the sea level, it forms the part of the seabeds. Okay, so it means if the originally continental portion of the crust subsidize it means it if when the portion of the earth crust become a fall down यानी वो नीचे की तरफ अगर गिर जाता है दब जाता है like a rift valley then the below of the sea level it forms the seabeds तो उससे क्या होता है seabeds फॉर्म होता है यानी जो समुद्र के नीचे का जो जमीन होता है that formed due to that movement also okay so when the land area uplifted then the continents are formed plateaus are formed and when it is subsidized or it means fall down then the seabeds are formed. I hope you clear the particular paragraph.